In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an auto clicker on Chrome step by step so you can add it to your browser quickly and get it ready to use. If you've been looking for an easy way to automate repetitive clicking tasks, this guide will walk you through the full process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. And before we jump in, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're using the Chrome browser because this method works through the Chrome Web Store. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings menu. From there, hover over Extensions. A side menu will appear, and in that menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official store where you can find browser extensions. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, go to the search bar and type Auto Clicker. Press Enter or click the search icon, and Chrome will show you a list of results related to Auto Clicker extensions. Take a moment to look through the options and click the one you want to install. Make sure you choose the extension that fits what you're looking for, because there may be more than one available. After you open the Auto Clicker extension page, look for the Add to Chrome button. This is the button that starts the installation process. Click Add to Chrome, and Chrome will immediately show a confirmation window asking you if you want to add the extension. This is a normal security step, so go ahead and review the permissions if needed. When you're ready, click Add Extension to confirm the installation. Chrome will now download and install the Auto Clicker extension automatically. In just a few moments, the extension should be added to your browser and ready to use. Once it's installed, you'll usually see the extension icon appear near the top right of Chrome. Depending on the extension you chose, you may need to pin it for easier access or open it from the Extensions menu. And that's it! You've successfully installed an auto clicker on Chrome. Now you can start using it for repetitive tasks, testing, or any other purpose that fits your workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.